print out the pattern and then cut it out. There are 4 pages. You cut off the right hand side of the page and you're going to match that up like that, and then you cut off the top. And the right hand side. And you're going to match that up and you're going to glue that together. Come back when we've done that. Use stick glue to glue your pieces together. And now we're going to cut out the size that you require. Cut out the size you require. We're going to cut out the size small. And now we're going to lay it on the fabric and cut it out. So you can either lay this to the fold of your fabric like that, and then you need a back and a front, or as this fabric is wide enough here, that would be the fold, and we're going to turn it over and draw it on our fabric like that. We've drawn the boob tube onto our fabric with tailor's chalk. Mark where the top is with the neck and cut out your boob tube. Once you've cut it out, just mark the top of the neck so you know where it is. And now we're going to sew it. So you want to make sure that you've got your right sides together. Right sides together, and you're going to overlock it together with the 6mm overlock seam. You need nice stretchy cotton lycra or bonbon fabric for this garment so that it stretches nicely. And finish your seam. Overlock the bottom, which you're going to hem later, and then we're going to put the elastic in the top. You want to make sure that it's swimwear or knitted elastic that has got the little holes in, like that. The elastic must be measured at 60% of the length of the top of the garment. For me, I'm just so used to doing it, I don't need to actually measure it at all, so okay, when you come to the end, remember to lift your foot, otherwise it makes a bubble. There we go. And now we have the elastic attached. There's your garment. You've overlocked the bottom. You don't actually have to hem the bottom because that's going to be tucked into the skirt. And that is the elastic overlocked onto the top. There you go. And now we're just going to hem that elastic. You can hem the top of this elastic on your domestic machine. You don't need any special stitch. Just your standard straight stitch will be fine because you are stretching your elastic. You don't want it very narrow. You want a relatively wide stitch. There we go. And hem your top of your garment. And we'll show you, hem your top of your garment, and we'll show you what it looks like on the mannequin. And there you have the boob tube on the mannequin.